Good morning. So, what day is it? August 21st?
22nd.
Okay, August 22nd, Monday, August 22nd, theory 3 class. For my online students, as well as for my some of my in-person students, but for my online students, that's you, Miss Deja Brown. We're going to talk about form and analysis. So, theory 3 is about form and analysis. So, I hope that you have become well versed in all of your chords and all of your scales and things, because in this class we apply what we have learned in theory 1 and 2. If you're only taking this as an elective, that's fine too. All right. But what we're talking about is form, and so I'll start with this class off with talking about three Baroque forms, three forms that we have in Baroque music. And that is called a ground, okay, a passacaglia. Passacaglia, do you remember that from Friday? Passacaglia, and a chaconne. All right.
Wow.
All right. So let's take a good look at those three types of music, three forms that we have in the Baroque period. Okay, this is during the Baroque period. Now, the Baroque period was a period of music that lasted from roughly like the 1600s to about like 1720, 1750, something like that. So it was in the 1600s, okay? And so some of the composers that are commonly associated with the Baroque period would be composers such as J.S. Bach, okay? Now we have T-Bone here that has looked up the information for which one is this?
Blessing.
Okay.
Baroque music.
He looked up.
Baroque music is a period of style of Western classical music from approximately 1600 to 1750.
Okay.
Originated in West Europe, this era followed the Renaissance music era.
Yes.
And was followed in turn by the classical era.
Yes.
With the Galant style,
Galant style.
making the transition between Baroque and classical era.
Yes.
Amen.
That's exactly right. Amen. Amen. Yes, sir. And I should have followed my instincts, because I was going to write 1600 to 1750. I second guessed myself. But 1750, that's the Baroque period, okay?
Yeah.
And one of the main composers associated with the Baroque period is J.S. Bach, or Johann Sebastian Bach. All right. So Deja, for you, I'm going to give you a listening list. I want you to, and I'm going to put this in your email right here.
That's nice.
I want you to listen to the Passacaglia. Yes, we learning some good stuff now. Passacaglia in C minor.
Passacaglia.
The composer is J.S. Bach, and the performer is Carl Richter. Okay. So that's your first assignment. It's just a little listening assignment, okay? And I want you to listen for the bass note, okay? And then I will come back to you, and then we will discuss what a passacaglia is. But for right now, look up these three terms. Thanks.